Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to set up our bullet journal for March, and if you really want to make something simple, please keep on watching and join me. So let's start with our first page, which is our cover page. Here I'm using my golden marker to make some sort of a frame for this one, and once I'm finished with that, I will use my brush pen to write March. And I previously wrote it with a pen, so I'm just going over it, and you can also do that with any type of pen that you have, so you don't have to use a brush pen if you don't want. Next page is my calendar monthly log, and I'm using my basic calendar layout, which worked best for me every single time, and I'm not giving that up. So here I'm just making that grid, and I'm writing every single day of this month with some trackers on the right side, and above I just outlined it a bit with that golden marker again, and here I'm just writing March as a title. And fun fact, that's my real handwriting, so I think it looks good when I write it with my brush pen. What do you guys think? Let me know. Next two pages are going to be my goals, brain dump, and content plan pages. I'm dividing the first one because I don't tend to write a ton of goals for every single month, and my content plan, I made some structure for the first time in here, and I'm writing top 3 do and don't things, and my posting plan and brand plan, because it's not really consistent this time and I'm trying to get better at that. My next page is something new, my workout log, and here I'm just going to write a few lines of text every time I finish a workout. And another page is my habit check, which I'm going to use at the end of the month as some sort of a overview for every single topic that I have in there. And my last page is half weekly for the first 3 days of that month, and here I'm using that same gold marker and brush pen, and that's it for this setup. I really love it, and somehow it reminds me of some magazine layouts, or maybe not, I don't know. It really looks good, and I'm so happy that I used my real handwriting for the first time for these titles. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you make any creations, I would like to see them. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and a like if you like this video, dislike it if you think it sucked. And that's it guys, I will see you again in my next video. Bye.